We're gonna start with 1 pound of lean ground beef. So not a whole lot of grease. I didn't have to drain too much grease out of it. So we're gonna start with that. We're gonna just do a little salt. Make sure we season our meat well. I don't know if you can even see it. They're coming out so small.
I can see it.
And some pepper. Oh yeah, see that, Dustin? And then we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. That's right, y'all. A whole tablespoon. We got 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce that we're gonna pour into that. Love that sound. There's the second one. I'm already loving how this is smelling. And finally, before I start stirring, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of sugar. That's right, get a little sweetness in there. All right, so let's just mix this up for just a second.
Kind of like a meatloaf.
Yeah, or kind of right now is like kind of a sloppy Joe vibe. I used to love those as a kid. How did they make that? Probably like this. All right, so that's pretty good mixed up. We're gonna do 8 ounces of the sour cream. This is an 8-ounce container, so just drop the whole thing in there.
Nice.
Get it all out of there. Okay. Go ahead and give that a nice mix in there. Get it all. Kim says marbleized. Oh, it does look pretty though. All right, we got that pretty good and mixed up. Okay, so now we got some fettuccine, or some people call them egg noodles. I think, are they the same thing? I keep forgetting. I know they're made out of egg noodles. Egg noodles are a little softer, but anyway, you can use either one in this recipe. Just kind of put that in there. We're gonna mix that in. All right, so we got those nice and gently folded in there. We're gonna take about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese that we're gonna put in there. Not the whole thing, but just about a cup, because we're gonna sprinkle the top with some. That's about a cup's worth right there. So then just get that nice and mixed into there. Nice cheesy mixture. Egg noodle casseroles. Seem to be a thing right now. All right, so we're gonna take this and put it into our 13x9 dish. Get that nice in there. Kind of get it spread evenly.
Looks good.
Looks really good. All right, so now for the final part, we're just gonna put the remaining cheese. I had a little left over in this one from a previous recipe. And then this one right here, we're gonna just dust it over the top.
Just a dusting.
Get that dusted over the top. So we have a nice cheesy top when it's done. It'll be nice and bubbling. All right, so let's take this over to the oven. We're gonna put it in there it'll just take about 20 minutes. You just wanna put it in there for about 20 minutes at 350.
Okay.
Let's check out this meaty Uncle Tony casserole.
Oh, wow, looks cheesy.
It looks good. Look at like the little redness on top from the mixture. That looks really good. All right, let's give this a try. This kind of reminds me of like that hamburger helper when I was growing up.
Look at that.
Let's see how old Uncle Tony did.
Tastes like hamburger helper?
That's pretty good. That's even better. Better than hamburger helper.
There you go, folks.